Welcome everyone. We are here to go live on the severe weather that's happening right now. If I can learn how to type. So we're gonna go on over WSP3, start it. Let me pull it up here. We got one tornado warning right here at the moment. It is a damage threat is considerable. So we have a tornado warning at this moment. Like I said, damage threat is considerable on this. This was observed. Um, it's a PDS tornado, damaging tornado. For Coulomb and Edgeley, let me pull up the velocity. So like I said, we're live right now. I'm look at the you see the debris ball right here possibly at the moment, correlation coefficient on this damaging tornado. Like I said, it's a PDS. It is confirmed. It says it's radar indicated due to the damage, due to the correlation coefficient being picked up is the reason it's still radar indicated. Hey Jacob, how's it going, man? I'm gonna swap over to GR2 to pull this up better. Get the track here on this. 238.31. 238.31. Let's go to 4 panel. Let's go to storm relative velocity. Let's go to base velocity in panel 2, panel 3, and then we'll go to correlation coefficient here. We're doing good, Jacob. I appreciate you popping in, man. It just happened. Finally went live on it. I want to back up some on this view so we'll get it in here. There we go. We'll zoom into it. Let's look at the rotation on it. Thank you, I appreciate it. I think it's I know the base velocity and storm relative velocity is similar to um, radar scope, and I think the base reflectivity is also radar scope that they have for GR2. But you see on the end right here where it is on the ground. it's just a lot of velocity within the storm. Let me take it. If you notice right here, we have a McIntosh County Sheriff's Department confirmed the tornado at 23:45 UTC time, which is 7:40 6:45. Yeah, this is some intense rotation on this storm. Um, it did have a TVS, so it must have went down some. But right there, you can really see the rotation here on storm relative velocity. And TVS picked back up. Threshold of 8. A lot of lightning within this storm. Also it's showing possibly 1.75-inch hail also with this produced earlier also. But if you're in calm, you need to take cover now. If you know anybody up there, take cover immediately. This is a dangerous tornado on the ground. It said PDS on the warning. Yeah, it should have been wider. If you're looking at it, especially where the rotation is, because it's right in the north part of the storm, right here, headed right towards Combe right now. There's a new possible debris ball right there, starting to show up. So it is definitely moving more to the northeast of this, northeast, than the way they got the warning going right now. Put another 3D of it real quick. They just added severe thunderstorm warning to the northwest of this current tornado warning. Yeah, this one decided to make a left turn instead of a right one. Yeah, rotation's definitely gotten brighter right here. Just the only warning we have right now. Yeah, this is the only tornado warning we have at the moment. That's what's got me thrown off is this a lot of this correlation coefficient right here. How it's turning. Not just one little small area, it's a wide area. So, okay. Thanks for letting me know that. Right there. Yeah, right there would be the debris, that little pixel that just went away for a second. So it's probably picking up and dropping. Yeah, right here now, outside the warning, probably right here between Fredonia and Cullum. Cullum is right where the rotation is. Yeah, they're probably getting nailed right now, especially right where this bright area of rotation right here. What road is that? State Route 13. It's going over State Route 13 right now. So if anybody's on that state route, they would probably see it now. There's State Route 13. That is State Route 36. So just to the west of State Route 36, hey Ardit, is where the rotation is now. Let's try something. See if I've got it. See if I can pick up anything right here. I know we picked it up before. It's just hard to get the way this thing does it sometimes. All right, thank you, Jacob. Appreciate you coming in here, man. We'll probably chat with you later. Yeah, if you're in calm, what we're watching right here, this is the rotation on the storm right now. You see it on base velocity down here in the right lower left hand corner, and storm relative right here. That's possibly since the debris at this moment right here. This would be your debris right now. Do we have another one area? We may have another area getting started rotating right here near Maricourt also. There's rotation starting right there. So Maricourt, there may be another tornado possibly. Some rotations getting started in this area near Maricourt right now. But the main rotation is right here in Calm. I'm gonna get a 3D view of, because that right there at Maricourt has definitely picked up. There's some there, but it's low base rotation. Gotta zoom out to get it. And so there may be some more. Another. Need to watch this other area right here near Maricourt. They may extend this tornado warning. Let's see if they're what they're saying. Uh, right now, tornado warning remains in effect until 8 p.m. for southwestern Lamar and northwestern Dickey and northeastern McIntosh counties. At 7:30 Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was capable of producing a tornado. Was located over Combe, or 10 miles west of Edgeley, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. So it's back to being radar indicated. Like I said, I'm watching this area also, right here at Maricourt, because it's picking up something right there, even though it's not, it's rain free. But this is the rotation of the tornado right here, the main area of rotation. We drop down to 0.5. That's tilt 1, tilt 2, tilt 3, tilt 4 is not there. It's basically showing up in tilt 1 right now. It's where this tornado is showing up. Okay, I'll go to that one. Hold on one second. Let me get over there to it. Alright, new tornado warnings. Alright, swapping over to it. 206.58. Yeah. Here's this one. Tornado warning for western Falk County in north central South Dakota until 8 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 7:32, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located 8 miles south of Seneca, or 16 miles west of Falkton, moving northeast at 65 miles per hour. Road locations include Burkmere, Brentwood Colony, and Norbeck. You see it. There's your rotation right there. Got one at Daytona. All right. Let me get done with this and I'll go down to Daytona Beach. There's the rotation in this current tornado warning. All right. We'll fly down to the one in Daytona real quick, because this is on the beach. This is a result of coming from Tropical Storm Cristobal, in which we had several tornado warnings from it last night. 205, 205. This will be out in the ocean soon. Get 3D on it. There's a little bit of rotation on this one, but not much. there's that one. Now I'll put WSB3 still up here. These other two tornado warnings, so I could zoom out on it and go back to it if I need to. And look, see if I see anything on correlation coefficient with this storm, this current tornado warning. I don't see anything at this moment on correlation coefficient with this tornado warning here in Florida. There is some range folding here due to the location of it. Let's see if I get a better view from KJAX. Not really. Melbourne was a better view of it. This one should be out in the water very soon, hopefully. We'll put rotation again on it. I don't see much rotation on this one. I think this is just it was radar indicated. So let's go check those other two tornado warnings real quick. Let's go back to South Dakota. The pink represents this is your severe thunderstorm watch. This is your tornado watch. To 1554. Rotation is like it's not as strong as it was earlier, but it's definitely got a overshooting echo top though. It's definitely over 50,000 feet, so it's got the updraft, and there it is right there. Rotation is definitely stronger in this one than it was the other one. We'll zoom out, check the other tornado warning real quick. Because it's still within this radar site. See if we get 3D rotation. There it is right there. As it's moving through, that's where it's actually on the ground right there. So we see anything on correlation coefficient. Let's change radar site so it's the upper tornado warning. So it gives us a better view of it. The correlation coefficient. Nope. KABR is probably the only one that's going to give us a better view. look at 3D right now of this one tornado warning. Again, like I said, McIntosh Police Department did confirm it earlier. So we are watching it right now, watching these tornado warnings. Trying to keep up with it right now. Let's see what we're doing. Just trying to sit here and watch this thing, see how it does real quick. Notice they shortened the warning up. Let's check on the one in Florida again. Volusia County, which is Daytona Beach. We're going to go back down there and check on that tornado warning. So, hold 1 second. Give me a second. We'll swap over WSP3 real quick. Okay. Alright. Alright. Let's look at WSP3 real quick. take WSP3 down there to the tornado warning down in Florida. Looks like I gotta fly down here to it. Alright, here we are. Let's start up. There we go. Says it's still radar indicated at the moment. Hey Aiden, how's it going? Let's let all the new viewers know we're in Florida. Look at this tornado warning in Florida. We have two, also one in um, South Dakota and North Dakota. We come to check on this and real quick down here in Florida, since this is from the tropical storm. And right there near Ormond Beach, Holly Hill, this is your rotation we're watching at the moment. Storm relative. There's any rotation, it's right here near Holly Hill, and it being Ormond Beach in any minute now. It should be affecting Ormond Beach. So if you know anybody in Florida right now, let them know they got a tornado warning there near Daytona. The storm is actually tracking this direction and is not far from the water. So once it goes out in the water, it'll be probably it's still rotating. It would be a water spout. All right. Okay. All right, we're gonna go back up to North Dakota on GR2. So give me 1 second. All right. All right. Here we go. There, a spotter sent a photo of the tornado near Combe, location approximately based on radar, near Dickey, North Dakota, at 7:20 p.m. Central Daylight Time. The view was reported. 226. Alright, we're going to go to 4 panel. Change this to storm relative velocity, this to base velocity, and this to correlation coefficient. But they did have a picture received on this tornado. Looks like the rotation is still around Combe at this moment. Alright, we'll get 3D of it. There we go. Right there, one little cell at this moment. So, yeah, I hear you, Bob. Okay, Bob, go ahead. Where at? South Dakota, Edmonds, Falk. All right, we got a new. This is going to be an extension of the previous tornado warning here. They've extended it. All right. Yeah, it's getting a lot of lift in this storm. Echo Top's about 50,000 feet right here at the moment. And there's the rotation right now in 3D. I've actually got a little bit of a drop in correlation coefficient also in the back of this storm. Looking at 3D. Let me change that to NROT. Let me change this to NROT real quick. I want to see if that's possibly right where I've got the correlation coefficient. No, NROT showing up here. Not showing anything back here. There's the NROT. There's where the rotation is at this moment on the storm. So let's pull up correlation coefficient again. If you're in Loyaltown or know anybody in Loyaltown, um, tell them to take cover now because that's where this possible tornado is heading, is towards Loyalton, Ipswich, um, and Interstate um, 12, U12. So it's going to go to the east, to the west of Aberdeen. Is moving west of Aberdeen right now towards Ipswich and Loyalton. Then we got this one up here that was confirmed. Spotter did get a photo of it and sent it in. Been okay, JCN. How about you? So yes, lots of severe thunderstorm warnings at this moment. We'd still have let me check. See about the tornado warning in Florida. We still got the one in Volusia County, Florida. So stream health still good. Everything still looks good. Let me see if Nightbot's awake. It worked earlier. I don't know if it's still awake or not. Let's go sleep on some. Okay, it's awake. Look at this outflow boundary right here. on this storm. That line of reflectivity right there is what we call outflow boundary. Make it easier where we can see. I said there was 1 inch hail reported earlier by emergency management. There's also inch and 3/4 hail being reported. So it's got to lift to pick these storms, to pick up the rotation. Right now, there's probably about half-inch hail size being reported in this storm. I'm checking the Florida radar right now. The storm has almost moved off into the water. Let you know. So I'm watching it on a different screen. All right, one of the tornado warnings was allowed to expire. Well, they've let both of those expire. We have one tornado warning at this time, but just cause this is gone, it doesn't mean it can fire back up again because there's still a little some rotation in that cell. East KBIS. Okay, that one there, Mott. Mott's always been a good little place. That's what we got right here. Yeah, 20824, 208. And that's got some hail in it. It is trying to hook around a little bit. It's getting a little bit of inflow right there. Do a 3D on it. And it's got it's like it's trying to drop right there. You look at the 3D, it's trying to drop right there. It's high based, but right there is where I was talking about like it's trying to drop. Just want to be reflectivity. Yeah, the rotation is trying to drop right now. So this and May rotation keeps picking up. It's a possibility. Let's look at the hail. It's inside this storm. There's a little small hail core right there. Not much, but a little bit. Yeah, it is definitely getting got a small hook getting inflow right there coming around. It hasn't dropped any further in the last couple scans. Let's speed this scan up a little bit. Well, new scan right there shows it's gotten brighter. So it is picking up more rotation in this one. So it's getting inflow. It's got a nice, it's got a hook tipped to the create right here, come together right there. We still got the one tornado warning in South Dakota. Here, we'll try to get a cross section of this hail real quick. See how high it's lifting it. It's lifting the hail about 22,000 feet. So, yeah, the hail's about 22,000 feet right now on this storm. You see it right here is getting brighter. The rotations get picked up in this last scan. See what it looks like on 3D. See, hail's gotten more. Still got that bright area right here of rotation. See the green and blue? So, how's the stream looking out there? Does it look okay? Okay. All right, I'm just checking. I'm getting a message from YouTube right now. So, that's why I was wondering. Uh-oh. Not anymore. I lost internet. Oh no, I can't do this. I can't do this anymore. Let me mute my